We're here today because it's the first public appearance for the Sentinel for the general public to come and see.
Over the Easter, 4 days of the Easter holiday, we're running the chocolate train, where people can travel in a brake van ride behind the loco, going up and down the yard, and each person that travels receives a free Fry's chocolate cream bar. And I've had a headboard made saying the chocolate train, and I think it will appeal to the general public and to children. So it's taken us 6 or 7 years of hard work, like a labour of love, to get it to where it is today.
Oh, it's great. It's great, isn't it? We've got a piece of live equipment from the factory. The factory itself is nothing like it used to be, but we've got the Sentinel fully restored back to what it was in 1928, as it would have been running around at Somerdale. So you can go up in the cutting, you can imagine it's running up in the cutting. It's Somerdale almost.
Oh, it feels marvellous to see it running. Yes, it's a wonderful sight after all these years of work, and it seems to run so smoothly and quietly. It's not like a conventional steam loco. It makes a completely different sound. As it goes past you, it's sort of rumbling like a tram. And it's really performing well, and lots of people who live locally and who worked at the chocolate factory and might have remembered it there and enjoying coming to see it again in all its glory. So really it's like a dream come true, with it up and running and all in working order, really looking at how it did years ago when it was running at Fry's.